This video trend is taking over YouTube, where creators make these simple videos with an AI-generated image and are getting views in millions. Take a look at this channel. It has gained over 200,000 subscribers with only 66 videos, and if we check their oldest video, it was uploaded only 3 months ago, which shows that these kind of videos are watched a lot. And people like it. You won't find many tutorials about these on YouTube. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process to make these videos just like a pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, our first step would be to generate a good story script. We have two options. Number 1, we can either generate our unique story using ChatGPT. Number 2, we can use the story of an already viral video. But the problem here is, if we take the story of an already viral video, it would be considered duplicate content by YouTube, and you may receive a copyright strike on your channel. So the solution is that we will create our unique script by taking inspiration from the viral video script. We will take the story from a viral video and put it in our notepad one by one. Then we will go to ChatGPT to make a story similar to the original story, but with our unique touch. This will increase our chances of going viral. Now we will go to ChatGPT, and we will first write a prompt to create an interesting story, similar to the story that I will provide you. Keep the format same and line by line, with each line summarizing each chapter. Then we will paste the story here, and again we will type a prompt. Use simple and easy words and make sure each line doesn't contain more than 8 to 9 words. Like this, ChatGPT will provide us with a good story, and if ChatGPT repeats the same story, ask ChatGPT to provide me with a different story. Now comes the most important step, generating our visuals. Now using Leonardo AI for images is the worst option, as it will not give you the optimal quality. So we will use the best text-to-image tool out there, DALL-E 3. Well, DALL-E 3 is a paid tool, but I will show you how you can use DALL-E 3 completely free for a lifetime. Go to Google and search for Bing. Click on the first link and create your Microsoft account. It's pretty simple to create an account, so I will leave that to you. After creating an account, you will have an interface like this. Simply click on this Copilot. Then choose this more creative option. Now let's start a new conversation. I will use this prompt to get started with our visuals. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy your first sentence and paste it here. Now just remember the things you need to write in your every prompt to get consistent results. Main character name, scene of the image, background location, and image style. Now press enter, and within a few seconds it has generated our images, and they look exactly like those from the videos. Now copy the second prompt and paste it here. Again, modify the prompt a little, and here you can see the second image is the exact sequel to the first image. Just like this, generate all your images one by one, and to download the image, click on the arrow option. Now comes the most important part, which is to create a video out of the images. For that, I will be using Canva. You can use the free plan. We don't need premium assets. Select this mobile video style. Then first of all, from the sides, click on the Upload tab and import all images here. Then change its background color to black or anything, light dark. It will suit the most for this type of video. Now just go to Elements and scroll down and select the circular frame, reduce its size and adjust it somewhere here on the screen. Again, click on this to duplicate it and place it under the first one. Go to the Upload tab and import a ChatGPT logo and a simple image that you can download from Google. Now go to Elements again, drag and drop the square frame and adjust it like this. Then add the text, and you can also change the font. Adjust it in front of the image and click on the icon to make it bold. Go to ChatGPT and copy-paste the text from your first sentence in the box. Adjust it in front of icon. Now go to Elements, type pencil, and drag and drop this pencil icon. Change the color to white and place it like this. Now go to the Upload section and drag and drop the first image on the square frame. After everything is done, just click on the video project and simply duplicate the project and duplicate the project. As we have a total of 8 sentences, we will do 8 duplicates. But you can do it as per the scenes you have generated. Now we just need to change our sentence in every duplicated video and replace our image the same way we did before. Just do the same process with all of the images one by one. You can also add background music to the video clip to make it more impressive. For that, you can check pixabay.com to get copyright-free background music. For now, I will use random music in this video. So after everything is done, just click on this share button to download your video. Okay? So let's have a look at what we created. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.